Take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold it gently and release it through your mouth. There is nothing you need to chase tonight. Nothing you need to solve. Nothing you need to become. You have arrived. Allow your body to settle into the surface beneath you. Let gravity take over. Let your muscles soften without effort. If your mind is still busy, that's okay. A busy mind is not a broken mind. It is simply a mind that has not yet been given permission to rest. Tonight, you give it permission. The Stoics believe that rest is not escape. Rest is preparation. Rest is wisdom in action. And wisdom begins by knowing when to be still. Night 1. Release the day. Tonight, you are allowed to rest. Not because everything is finished, but because you are human. Take a slow breath in and release it gently. The day has spoken enough. Its noise does not belong here. Whatever you did today, whatever you failed to do, whatever remains unfinished, can wait. The Stoics taught that worry after action is wasted energy. You acted as best you could with what you knew at the time. That is enough. Let the conversations fade. Let the tension loosen. Let your shoulders fall. You do not need to replay the day. You do not need to correct it. Night is not for fixing life. Night is for restoring the soul. Imagine placing the entire day outside the door of this moment. You can return to it tomorrow, stronger. For now, rest. Your breath slows. Your body softens. Sleep comes not as weakness, but as wisdom. Night 2. Release control. Tonight, you release the future. You are not meant to carry tomorrow into the night. That weight was never designed for the human mind. Control feels like safety, but slowly, quietly, it becomes a prison. Notice how heavy it is. The need to know, the need to predict, the need to prepare for every possible outcome. Your body feels that weight. In the chest, in the jaw, in the stomach. Now imagine setting it down. Not forever, just for tonight. The Stoics were clear in their wisdom. Some things are within your control. Your effort, your intention, your response. Most things are not. Trying to control what cannot be controlled exhausts the mind. Accepting reality restores it. Breathe in slowly. And as you exhale, release the need to know what happens next. You do not need certainty to rest. You need trust. Tomorrow does not require your worry tonight. It will meet you when the sun rises. Right now, there is nothing to solve, nothing to prove, nothing to defend. Let uncertainty sit beside you, not as an enemy, but as a quiet companion. You have lived through uncertainty before. You learned. You adapted. You endured. You will do so again. As control loosens, your breathing slows. As resistance fades, sleep draws closer. You are strong enough to respond when life asks something of you. For now, rest deeply. Night 3. Make peace with the past. The past is finished. It cannot be entered again. Yet the mind knocks on its door, again and again and again. Tonight, you stop answering. The Stoics believed reflection has a limit. Learn once, then release. Regret without release becomes poison. Understanding becomes freedom. The past was a teacher, not a judge. Every mistake carried instruction. Every loss refined awareness. Every wound shaped wisdom. You are not who you were. You are who you became, because you endured. Forgive yourself quietly, not loudly, not dramatically, but honestly. Say within yourself, I did what I could, with what I knew at the time. That truth is enough. Let guilt dissolve. Let shame loosen its grip. The chapter is closed. The page turned. Peace is not forgetting. Peace is acceptance. Your nervous system relaxes as the past releases you. Rest now, free from yesterday. Night 4. Silence the inner noise. Thoughts will appear. That is their nature. You do not need to chase them. You do not need to fight them. The Stoics mastered the art of observing without attachment. Notice the breath. Slow, steady, reliable. A thought arises. You notice it, and you let it pass. You do not follow. You do not argue. Like clouds crossing the sky, they do not disturb the sky. With every exhale, the mind creates space. Silence grows not by force, but by patience. Stillness is not emptiness. Stillness is mastery. Your body responds. Muscles soften. Breath deepens. Remain here. Calm. Grounded. Rest inside this quiet strength. Night 5. Embody Stoic strength. Strength is calm. True power does not announce itself. It does not rush. It stands quietly, unshaken. You have endured. That alone proves your strength. The Stoics did not chase comfort. They trained steadiness. Tonight, that steadiness lives in you. Your body rests. Your spirit remains firm. You are not fragile. You are seasoned. Sleep is not retreat. It is preparation. Each moment of rest rebuilds resilience. Tomorrow, you rise grounded. For now, rest deeply. Strength sleeps, so it can awaken ready. Night 6. Trust life. Resistance tightens the mind. Trust softens it. Life has carried you through uncertainty before, moments you once feared. You survived. You learned. You adapted. You moved forward. Tonight, you do not need to fight. Release fear. Release doubt. Trust that clarity appears when it is needed. The future is not your enemy. It is simply unknown. Unknown does not mean unsafe. As trust settles in the body, sleep deepens naturally. Rest in that truth. Night 7. Awaken renewed. You have rested. You have released. You have grown. Stillness has strengthened you. The Stoics believed renewal is born in quiet moments. Your nervous system resets. Your mind clears. Tomorrow arrives with steadier vision. For now, complete this cycle. Sleep deeply. You are ready. Night 8. Accept impermanence. Everything changes. This is not a threat. It is a law. Pain changes. Joy changes. Circumstances pass. The Stoics found peace here. Nothing lasts forever, which means suffering does not either. Tonight, stop clinging. Let life move. Let time flow. Sleep arrives when resistance ends. Night 9. Detach from opinions. You do not live inside other minds. Their judgments are not your home. Release the weight of approval. The Stoics taught, your character is enough. As you detach, peace replaces tension. Sleep freely. Night 10. Live according to nature. You are not meant to rush endlessly. Nature rests. So do you. Night teaches balance. Align with it. Breathe. Release. Sleep. You are exactly where you need to be.